2 of closing statements in the Philadelphia mob trial. 3 attorneys try to convince the jury to set the defendants free. Some of the lawyers say their clients aren't even in the mob. Others are trying to poke holes in the government's case. Jennifer Frederick reports from federal court.
"The guy isn't in the mob" theme was a common defense today. Fellow defendant Frank Gambino's lawyer tried to sell the same story. His lawyer wants the jury to forget about the pictures where they see Gambino at mob events and instead focus on the other evidence. She says Gambino's modest lifestyle proves he isn't a made man.
He's never lived in luxury. He's never had a house. He's never owned or leased any car. He's never driven any fancy car. I mean, the money's just not there. The evidence is just not there.
Elena Caravasso says the evidence is also missing in the case of the botched mob hit on Anthony Tony Machine's militia. The 69-year-old Frank Gambino is charged with shooting militia, but a prosecution witness with no links to the mob earlier testified it was a couple of 20-year-olds.
To even suggest that anyone could ever mistake a 60-some-year-old for a 20 or 30-year-old is ridiculous. And frankly, the fact that the federal government can actually, with a straight face, ask you to convict Mr. Gambino of this crime is just beyond outrageous.
I might just do Margaret